In this video, I will show you how to 3D print a coaster or any object from a picture. First, open up Fusion 360, then go into Insert, Attach Canvas, and choose this face. Select your image, then press OK. Then you can, if you want to, change to look at your picture. This is a picture of my dog. And then you want to go into Create Sketch. And then Create Line. Then go and zoom in onto parts and just make lines all around the image. Make sure to get the parts like the eyes, nose, mouth, parts that you want to have a different height at, and like the part right here in the ears. If you need to, you always can reposition points. Okay, press Stop Sketch. Now that you have your basic sketch outline of it, you can start and extrude it. Click on it, then change how much you want to extrude it. I think I'm going to do it about 3 millimeters. And in your slicer, you're probably going to want to go back and resize this, because this looks pretty small. So now go onto the bottom and create another sketch. And resketch the eyeball parts and the other parts. Okay, so now that you've sketched out some parts, you don't have to do every one, just maybe the ones on the outside. Go and extrude it again. So this one's going to be 2 millimeters this time. Okay, and then now you can create another 2-point rectangle sketch and put it across this whole part. These eyeballs. Now, also this one, this nose part. Then you can stop the sketch and extrude both of these and do Operation Join. And now you can pull it up a couple millimeters. I think I'm going to do 2.5 for these ones. Okay. Also, you're going to want to create a sketch for these ear pieces. So you can just use another few 2-point rectangles. Okay, so now you can stop the sketch and extrude them. Make sure to do join as well. Now you have your coaster or object.